can't fall asleep.
What's up? Hey?
Shut up!
What?
Yeah?
What was that?
I had a nightmare. Babe!
The hell?
What are you doing?
What happened?
You're squirming around in your sleep. Look, you fell off the bed.
The hell?
What's going on?
Oh no.
I think you need to go sleep in the guest room. You're squirming around too much.
You serious?
You won't let me sleep. You're like flailing around and stuff. Like, go sleep in the guest room, babe.
Okay. Ow. Oh.
Are you okay? Were you like dreaming about something?
I don't even know.
You like fell off the bed. You were like moving around so much.
We'll just go in the other room.
Yeah, just go over there.